When we talk about the most important business cities in the world, Singapore is high up on that list. Many businesses, big and small, set up their offices here, but gone are the days when private offices were a must-have. Co-working spaces are shaking up the office space market and doubling up as great event venues as well. We are going to have a look at one of the best co-working spaces in Singapore.
Hey, we are now at the company formerly known as District 6. This minimalistic co-working office has a cool and hip ambience. Let's take a look.
It is conveniently located along North Bridge Road, right below the famous rooftop bar, The Louvre, and right across from Raffles Hotel. The company has a very industrial setup, as if you're walking inside a hip cafe, but in a professional setting. There are also 18 high stools set against the bar-like table setup along the huge windows which allow natural light to come through, creating a bright working environment. You could use the hot desk and other facilities for as low as $398 per month. The newest feature at the company is the dedicated desk, which offers some privacy while still being part of the community here. There is a common pantry for all, which is stocked up with hot beverages and even freshly brewed coffee.
Just within the lounge is a famous Japanese coffee from Kyoto called Kurasu Coffee. Kurasu Coffee offers a wide variety of flavors of hand-drip coffee, and matcha latte is not one to miss. Angela, can I have one matcha latte, please? Thank you.
With award-winning barista team and coffee beans flown in from Kyoto every week, coffee here is definitely impressive. This lounge area can be effortlessly customized to host events. With a sitting capacity of 60 and standing capacity of 100, this event space can be used for an array of event types like product launches, movie screenings, networking nights, or even corporate meetings.
Speaking of corporate meetings, you can book one of the board or meeting rooms at the company for your private meetings.
There are also 3 meeting and chat rooms within the facility which can accommodate different group sizes. The smallest room can fit up to 4 packs and the largest room can fit up to 10 packs. Rate for booking a meeting room starts at $35 per hour. Follow us on social media for the latest updates on the most unique event venues in Southeast Asia.